हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम कंप्यूटर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। एम एस एक्सेस से स्टार्ट करते हैं, ठीक है। एम एस एक्सेस databases like access are used to store large quantities of information. The information can be viewed, sorted, manipulated, retrieved, and printed in various ways. The database gives you the flexibility to obtain this data in multiple formats. If the information you need to store is vast, interrelated, and you need to retrieve it fast and accurately, access is probably the way to go. MS Word is a part of the bigger package called MS Office, which can do much more word processing. In fact, when you open up MS Office, you will find four main components in it. They are MS Word for word processing, MS Excel for spreadsheet, MS Access for database management, and MS PowerPoint for presentation purposes. A database A database is a collection of data which is organized in a manner that can be easily retrieved. They consist of fields, records, and files, much like a telephone book. A field is a single piece of information. Your last name is one field. A record is one complete set of fields, means your entry in the telephone book is a record, and a file is a collection of records, means the entire telephone book. So this is how we can define field, record, and file. Then what is a relational database? What is relational database? A relational database is a single database spread across multiple tables. Think of a database as a file cabinet, and each drawer of the file cabinet is a table. Examples: all of the employee information is kept in the first drawer, all of the vendor information is kept in the second drawer, and all of the purchase orders are kept in the third drawer. To connect each of these drawers, which is what makes it relational, a set piece of data from one drawer has to be in one of the other drawers. Now internet, types of network, ठीक है। इंटरनेट तो पता ही है। टाइप्स ऑफ नेटवर्क, फर्स्ट इज लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क्स, लेन, ठीक है, लेन्स। नेटवर्क इज एनी कलेक्शन ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट कंप्यूटर्स दैट एक्सचेंज इंफॉर्मेशन विद ईच अदर ओवर अ शेयर्ड कम्युनिकेशन मीडियम, ठीक है। लेन का पढ़ रहे हैं। Local area networks or lanes are usually confined to a limited geographic area, such as a single building or a college campus. Lanes can be small, linking as few as three computers, but can often link hundreds of computers used by thousands of people. There is another advanced lane called Metropolitan Area Network (MAN), used when we consider the distance covered to be between 1 to 10 km, unlike the lane that spans within 1 km. Next is wide area networks. WAN. Wide area networking combines multiple lanes that are geographically separate. This is accomplished by connecting the several lanes with the dedicated leased lines, such as a T1 or a T3 dial-up phone lines, both synchronous and asynchronous, by satellite links, and by data packet carrier services. WANs, means wide area networks, can be used as simple as a modem and a remote access server for employees to dial into, or it can be as complex as hundreds of branch offices globally linked. Special muting protocols and filters minimize the expense of sending data over vast distances. Next is wireless local area networks, WLAN, ठीक है। वायरलेस लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क्स, WLAN। हाँ, वायरलेस WLANs use radio frequency technology to transmit and receive data over the air, ठीक है। RF टेक्नोलॉजी, रेडियो फ्रिक्वेंसी। कौन? WLAN, वायरलेस लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क। हाँ, this minimizes the need for wide connections. VLANs gives user mobility as they allow connections to a local area network without having to be physically connected by a cable. This freedom means users can access shared resources without looking for a place to plug in cables, provided that their terminals are mobile and within the designated network coverage area. With mobility, VLANs give flexibility and increase productivity, appealing to both entrepreneurs and to home users. VLANs may also enable network administrators to connect devices that may be physically difficult to reach with a cable. या VLAN हो गया वायरलेस वाला. Next is network protocols. Network protocols. हाँ, नेटवर्क प्रोटोकॉल सिंपली मीन्स रूल्स. ठीक है ना. इसमें फर्स्ट वन आ गया फाइल ट्रांसफ़र प्रोटोकॉल (FTP). FTP or file transfer protocol is one of the most popular method used for file transfer through the internet. The reason for its popularity is that it has the capability to transfer files between different types of computer. Now some acronyms of these network protocols. FTP means file transfer protocol. FTP is file transfer protocol and its purpose is for transferring files. Then next is SMTP means simple mail transfer protocol. SMTP, it is for sending email send करने की. Then POP and IMAP. POP means post office protocol and IMAP means interactive mail access protocol. So both POP and IMAP are used for accessing email. Means for sending email we use SMTP and for accessing email we use POP and IMAP. Next is MIME. MIME. MIME means multi-purpose internet mail extensions. MIME multi-purpose internet mail mail extensions. So it is used for enhancing email especially for attachments. ठीक है. email में attachment के लिए ये MIME यूज़ होता है, multi-purpose internet mail extension. Next is HTTP hypertext transfer protocol. It is used to transfer web pages. Next is World Wide Web (WWW). It was developed by CERN in Geneva 1990. Important point. WWW करिए किसने डेवलप? CERN ने जेनेवा 1990 में. हाँ. The World Wide Web (WWW), also known as the web. This hypertext system allows text, sound, video and pictures to be put in on one page of information. These pages can and often do contain links to other pages whose source can be located anywhere in the world. The web is cross-platform, that is, same information can be viewed regardless of the type of computer you use. On the web browser, the document are presented as a series of pages commonly known as web pages that are linked together to form a website. A web browser such as Netscape has the ability to enable access to many different forms of internet distribution. FTP, the web, newsgroup and mail all through one application. Now next is web server addresses. Web server addresses. Typically, web addresses start with www. The name of the site is the name of the organization or person whose pages we are trying to access, while type of the site is a 2 or 3 characters code indicating the nature of work. Now domain name. Okay, some domain name. Name type and then examples. Domain name, for example, ct.ac.uk. So this is domain name. Then personal name, for example, Bilbo Baggins, the personal name. User ID, for example, AB123. Email, for example, ab123@ctac.uk or bbaggins@ct.ac.uk. ओके. तो ये ईमेल आईडी है. इसमें जो CTAC UK जो है ना, ये डोमेन नेम आ गया. जो पहले वाला आ गया यूज़र आईडी. ठीक है ना. या ये जो नाम भी है पहले, ठीक है ना, ये भी पर्सन नेम। अच्छा, वेब सर्वर होता है जैसे www.ct.ac.uk, ठीक है, ये वेब एड्रेस होता है www.ct.ac.uk, ये क्या है, वेब सर्वर। और पर्सनल वेब स्पेस का एड्रेस ये होता है जैसे http://www.student.ct.ac.uk/approximate sign ab123. So this is the personal web space, and website server is www.ct, etc. Then Unix CPU server, for example swindon.ct.ac.uk. This is Unix CPU server address. Yeah, the next is electronic mail or email. Okay, various companies or websites that provide free email addresses are Yahoo, Netscape, Hotmail, Google, etc. These provide free services. The email address is of this format, means username @domain-name.com. ठीक है, जो @ के बाद और डोमेन नेम जो उससे पहले यूज़र नेम. The username is the identity of the user whose account it is. The symbol @ separates the username and the domain name. The domain name is the unique name given to the email server. email server को दिया जाता है domain name, ठीक है. हाँ, for example pacific.com. Okay, domain names have two components. Thus Pacific is the name of the organization while com is the type of organization. ठीक है, जैसे नेट org ऐसे ये काम है, ठीक है. सो pacific.com. This is also referred to as the uniform resource location, ठीक है, या URL. या नेक्स्ट वन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट वेब ब्राउज़र्स के बारे में, ठीक है. किस ईयर में आया वेब ब्राउज़र कौन सा, ठीक है ना. हाँ, एक तो पहले थे प्री ब्राउज़र या हाइपर कार्ड गोफर, ठीक है. देन उसके बाद मेन देखते हैं 1991 में जो ब्राउज़र आया वो आ गया वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब www. 1992 में आया वायला www. देन अरवाइज अरवाइज, देन मीडास www, देन मैक www. ये 1992 में है. 93 में आया मोज़ाइक, सेलो, लिंक्स 2.0, अरीना, ए मोज़ाइक 1.0, ठीक है, 1993. 1994 में आया IBM वेब एक्सप्लोरर, नेटस्केप नेविगेटर, स्लिप नॉट 1.0, मैक वेब, आईब्रोज, आर्गो, माइन्यूट. 94 में आया. देन 95 में आया इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर 1995 में आया, ठीक है. इसके अलावा सेम ईयर में नेटस्केप नेविगेटर 2.0, ओमनी वेब, उसके बाद आ गया आपका ये वेब ब्राउज़र, देन इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर 2, ग्रेल, ठीक है, ये 1995 में है. देन 1996 में आ गया अरेचनी 1.0, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर 3.0, नेटस्केप नेविगेटर 3.0, ओपरा 2.0, पावर ब्राउज़र 1.5, साइबर डॉग अमाया 0.9, वेब वोयेगर, ठीक है, 1996. देन 97 में आया इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर 4.0, नेटस्केप नेविगेटर 4.0, नेटस्केप कम्युनिकेटर 4.0 एंड ओपरा 3.0. 98 में आ गया इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर 5.0, बीटा 1, देन iCap, मोजिला, ओपरा 4. द नेक्स्ट वन इज एंटीवायरस, ठीक है, वायरस और एंटीवायरस के देखते हैं, ठीक है. हाँ, computer viruses activate when the instructions or payload of the virus or executable code that run programs are opened. Viruses attached to email messages can infect an entire local network in minutes. This is specifically called worm. ईमेल में जो आता है worm, ठीक है. हाँ, थोड़ी देर में ही पूरे नेटवर्क को ही इन्फेक्ट कर देंगे, worm बोलते हैं इसे. जो ईमेल्स आते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज टाइप्स ऑफ वायरसेस। अब बूट सेक्टर वायरस, ठीक है, बहुत सारे एक बूट सेक्टर वायरस, फाइल इन्फेक्टर, मैक्रो वायरस, वार्म वगैरह बहुत सारे, ठीक है। A boot sector virus stores itself at the start of a disk and becomes activated by reading, starting, or restarting the computer when that disk is in the boot drive. Then, a file infector virus attaches itself to program files, that is, files that give instructions to a computer. These files usually have extensions like exe, com, or bat. Okay, when the program is run, the virus executes. Then a macro virus affects data files, especially Word documents and Excel and workbooks. This virus type accounts for the vast majority of infected files. When the infected document is opened and the macro are run, the virus is triggered and can perform system operations such as creating or deleting files or writing into already existing files. Worm or an email virus, for the purpose of this guide, is not really a virus at all, in that it is not self-replicating but a chain letter phenomena sent through email. वर्म की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। चेन लेटर phenomena sent through email. The message will, for some reason or other, will tell you to pass this message on to as many people as possible. ठीक है, कौन वर्म बोलेगा। हाँ, होक्स वायरस, HOAX, होक्स वायरस अलर्ट्स द टिपिकल एग्जांपल्स ऑफ चेन ईमेल्स, ठीक है। सो ऐसी चेन ईमेल्स में मतलब जैसे वर्म्स का होते हैं, इसकी टिपिकल एग्जांपल आ गई होक्स वायरस, ठीक है। हाँ, दीज होक्स वायरस दे यूजुअली स्प्रेड थ्रू द इंटरनेट एज अटैचमेंट, ठीक है। होक्स वायरस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ठीक है। दिस वन होक्स वायरस वर्म का ही है। देन उसके बाद है Trojan horses are programs that have some hidden, generally malicious functionality that the computer does not expect. Trojan horse बहुत hidden होते हैं, malicious functionality होती है जो computer expect नहीं करता। Next one is virus detection. Several types of antiviral software can be used to detect the presence of a virus. Scanning software can recognize the characteristics of a virus computer code and look for these characteristics in the computer files. Antivirus software packages provide complete protection against viruses. Other types of antiviral software include monitoring software and integrated shell software. Monitoring software is different from scanning software. It detects illegal or potentially damaging viral activities such as overwriting computer files or reformatting the file, the reformatting the computer hard drive. Examples of these examples of antivirus software are McAfee, MCAFEE, McAfee जो एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर उसमें आ गया McAfee, नोर्टन, AVG, अवास्ट, कैपर्सकी, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, ईसेट, सिमेंटेक, एविरा, ठीक है, एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर है। हाँ, नेक्स्ट इज important abbreviations used in computer, ठीक है। हाँ, important abbreviations used in computer. CRT means cathode ray tube. ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ALGOL means algorithmic language. BCC means blind carbon copy. CAD means computer aided design. CDR means compact disc recordable. CDR means compact disc recordable, ठीक है। CDR compact disc recordable. CD-ROM means compact disc read only memory. CDRW means compact disc rewritable, ठीक है। CDRW means compact disc rewritable. DBMS means database management system. DRAM means dynamic random access memory. Dynamic random access memory. Then next is SRAM. SRAM means static random access memory. EDP means electronic data processing, EDP electronic data processing. EPROM हो गया erasable programmable read only memory, EPROM हो गया erasable programmable read only memory. Fax means far away Xerox, GIF means graphics interchange format, JPEG means Giant Photographic Export Group, MICR means magnetic ink character reader, Next is NIC means network interface card, OMR means optical mark reader, PING ping means packet internet gopher, ping important, PING ping means packet internet gopher, और OMR था ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर, आर का रीडर, ठीक है ना. हाँ, RTF means rich text format, is rich text format. SMTP means simple mail transfer protocol. SIM हो गया सब्सक्राइबर आइडेंटिफिकेशन मॉड्यूल. VDU means visual display unit. Then PDU means protocol data unit, PDU. PPP means peer-to-peer protocol, अब जो है कुछ MCQs पढ़ने हैं हमारे को. हाँ, कि CAD का मतलब है कंप्यूटर एडेड डिज़ाइन. नेक्स्ट इज़ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रिंटर कैन नॉट प्रिंट ग्राफिक्स. ये है डेजी व्हील प्रिंटर, जो है ये ग्राफिक्स प्रिंट नहीं कर सकता, डेजी व्हील वाला. बाकी जितने भी इंकजेट, लेज़र, डॉट मैट्रिक्स, वो ग्राफिक्स प्रिंट कर सकते. नेक्स्ट इज a program written in machine language is called, answer is machine code. The father of modern computer, Charles Babbage and Alan Turing. I think father of computer Charles Babbage, modern computer का Alan Turing. Next is FTP, file transfer protocol. Then the lowest form of computer language is called, answer is machine language. Then basic quality graphics is produced by, answer of Plotter. Next is the linking of computers with the communication system is called pairing. Linking of computer with the communication system is called pairing. The 16-bit microprocessor means it has 16 data lines. 16-bit microprocessor means it has 16 data lines. ठीक है. Then small single site network is LAN. स्मॉल सिंगल साइट नेटवर्क इज LAN. नेक्स्ट इज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस इज, क्या है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस? शेयरवेयर है, पब्लिक डोमेन सॉफ्टवेयर है, ओपन सोर्स है, वर्टिकल मेकर एप्लीकेशन, क्या है ये? MS ऑफिस, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस. आंसर इज ये है एप्लीकेशन सूट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. एप्लीकेशन सूट, SUIT. सो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस, MS ऑफिस इज एप्लीकेशन सूट. लेकिन किसी जगह मैंने लिखा कि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट जो है ऑफिस जो है शेयरवेयर भी है. शेयरवेयर देख लेते हैं, ये भी थोड़ा नोट पढ़ लेते हैं कि एन एग्जांपल ऑफ शेयरवेयर इज़ अ बजटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम दैट only allows you to use 3 categories instead of having the ability to create a full budget. An example of shareware, a demo program for which you can pay for a registration key that will unlock the software that you are already using. ठीक है. Then next is इसी में the term shareware is used in contrast to open source software. In addition, is used in contrast to open source software in which the source code is available फॉर एनी वन टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट, ठीक है, ओपन वाले में, एंड अल्टर एंड फ्रीवेयर विच इज़ अ सॉफ्टवेयर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड एट नो कास्ट टू द यूज़र बट विदाउट सोर्स कोड बीइंग मेड अवेलेबल, ठीक है। तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही पढ़ेंगे, तो थैंक यू।